Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Amazon SES for scalable email sending, complete guide step by step clearly. First, log into your AWS Management Console. Navigate to the Amazon SES service from the list of AWS services. If you haven't already, verify your email address or domain that you want to send from. To verify a domain, click on Domains in the left sidebar. Then, click on Verify a new domain. Enter your domain name and check the option to generate DKIM settings. Click Verify this domain. AWS will provide you with a set of DNS records to add to your domain's DNS settings. Log into your domain registrar and add the required TXT and name records. Propagation may take some time, so wait for the verification process to complete. Once verified, navigate to the SMTP settings section in Amazon SES. Click on Create My SMTP Credentials. This will confirm the creation of an IAM user specifically for SMTP. Make sure to download your SMTP credentials, as you will need them later. Next, go to your email client or application for sending emails. Configure the SMTP settings to use the SMTP endpoint provided by Amazon SES. Use the IAM user credentials you created for authentication. Make sure to set the port to 587 for secure email sending. Now, it's crucial to manage your sending limits. Navigate to the Sending Statistics page to monitor your sending limits. If you need to increase your sending limits, request production access through the SES console. Fill out the form with the necessary details about your email sending use case. Once Amazon approves your request, you will receive a notification. Next, implement best practices for email sending. Create a sending strategy that includes engagement metrics and list management. Monitor bounce rates and complaints to maintain a good sender reputation. You may also use configurations for complaint and bounce notifications. Set up Amazon SNS to receive these notifications for better management. Lastly, regularly review your SES usage to ensure it meets your business needs. As you scale, consider segmenting your email sending for better performance. Stay updated with Amazon SES documentation for any new features or updates. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.